Hello everyone, I'm Saadoon and I'm doing my PhD and from Universidad Jaume Primero, and I'll today present one of the work that I did as part of my PhD, and that is anomaly detection based on artificial intelligence of things, a systematic literature mapping. So we used the Prisma protocol to analyze papers from 2021 to till 2023, till the date this study was conducted. And we used four databases like ACM, Digital Libraries, IEEE, ISI Web of Science, and Scopus to get these articles by forming search queries. And we got 162 articles from these four databases. After we had some inclusion and exclusion criteria, some duplicates, and after that we had 18 papers for detailed analysis and to extract the data from them. And one of the things that we noticed was the increasing trend in studies. We also devised some mapping questions for the data extraction from these papers that I'll explain in the next slide. So these were some of the mapping questions. For example, how many studies have been published over the years? Second one, which machine learning, deep learning techniques are applied to detect anomalies through TinyML? Because I explained that it is for artificial intelligence of things, so we are just focusing on anomaly detection works that have been applying on low power resource constrained devices. Another one, which data types have been used to detect these anomalies, which machine learning and evaluation metrics are used for this investigation, which devices have been used, and which IoT conditions in terms of power and connectivity are used, and lastly, in which case or domain they are applied. So I'll go to the results. First one is the distribution of studies over the years. So as you can see that there has been an increasing trend. This for 2023, the study, when we concluded this strategy, it was March of 2023. So till March of 2023, there were 6 papers already published. So that means that there has been an increasing trend. Most used AI algorithms. So CNN was top of the table, and after that you can see that most of them, the most used were autoencoder, LSTM, DNN, isolation forest. Similarly, for application sectors, there were a lot of diverse areas, but we categorized them into 4 main application sectors, and you can see that industry and business, for example, the sensors applied in industrial systems and the detection in them for them, so they were the most used. After that, healthcare, smart city, and environmental sector. For the third one, most used data type, so which was the IMU sensor that has been used usually in mobile sensors. And then some of the studies applied these algorithms on images, temperature data, pulse, and various kind of data sets. One of the most important things for us was to look at the most used hardware or the devices, because it is before we wanted to experiment on something, we wanted to know which low resource constrained devices can help us. So Raspberry Pi was top of the list, and all kind of Raspberry Pi devices like 1, 2, 3, all of them were used. And then in the second, we had Arduino, ESP3, ESP32. And the last one, we wanted to see how are the devices being powered, because they are low resource and low power devices, and there are different kind of connectivities, for example, for different modules. So 42% of the studies, they did not mention anything, which is normal, like they did not discuss how the power and connectivity or they were used. And so this is it. And Thank you. Thank you so much.